In this lesson, we want to explain template tool. Clicking on it to open a window where you can select one of these templates and simply insert and edit your desired photos and text. In fact, these are ready graphic templates that make your job easier. For example, we select this smartphone template, and as you can see, you can put your image and your text anywhere. Okay. For example, select one of your photos and drag and drop inside this area. Okay, as you can see, to resize the photo, double click on it to select the photo and change the size to become the size of the template. Okay. As you can see, it did not come off the smartphone template. Okay. Now you can move them all by clicking on a smartphone template and move it around. You can also write your own text here, the desired text, and move them, resize them. Working with the text is described in previous lessons. If you click on this plus sign, you can add 3 areas: title, head, or middle, body, or the bottom. For example, we add another body and, as you can see, put another photo inside it by dragging the photo. You can drag to swap. You can move and swap image between 2 areas, as you can see. We swap to these photos easily to change their location between 2 smartphones. And if you did not want to, you don't want to this area be here, you can delete it by right click and remove section. Okay, and finally, you can share and save this photo on your hard drive. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.